Snowflakes falling down, we laugh and play. Snowmen smiling bright, they made our day. Hot cocoa warming hands and hearts. Winter magic love, it never departs. Snowball fights and sleigh rides too. Giggles echo, everything's brand new. Scarves and mittens, colors bright. Under winter's cozy light. Let's all sing the snow day song today. Laughter ringing out in every way. Snowy fun for everyone, hooray. Let's all sing the snow day song and play.
Hi there, friends. It's me, Lulu. I'm so happy you're here. Are you ready for some magical adventures together? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to join me and my friends on all our fun journeys. Let's go explore. Woo! This is amazing. I'm flying. Look at me. Wow, everything is so sparkly. Adventure is in the air. Wow. Shiny. What is this place? Cool. Amazing. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Wow. Everything is so sparkly. What is this place?
Welcome to the Ice Kingdom.
Wow, this place is cool, but something feels missing.
The Christmas star is missing.
Poor Frosty. He just feels lonely.
Let's help him and bring back the Christmas cheer.
With teamwork and kindness, anything is possible.
Let's slide into some Frosty fun. Woohoo! Hold on, Flip. We're going super fast. Woohoo! Flip! This is the best slide ever. This place feels magical. Snow sounds so crunchy.
Stick together, friends.
Woohoo! Hold on, Flip. Numbers glowing. Cool. Let's solve it quickly. Numbers glowing. Cool. Wait, where's number 2? Found it. Number 2 is here. Let's sing to find the numbers.
All right, everyone, get ready to count, shout, and move. Let's go! 1 step forward, count to 3. Solve the riddle, cross with me. Numbers here, numbers there. Let's be brave and show we care. Hop, hop, jump to the beat. Count real loud, get on your feet.
All for kids to shout numbers.
1, 2, 3, what's next? Let's see. Adventure time, come play with me. 2 steps backwards, find the 4.
Stomp, stomp.
Knock, knock twice, what's behind the door?
Knock, knock sound.
Numbers twist, numbers twirl.
Clap, clap.
Solve the puzzle, give it a whirl. Hop, hop, jump to the beat. Count real loud, get on your feet.
All for kids to shout numbers.
4, 5, 6, what's next? Let's fix. Adventure time, come play with me.
Now let's all shout our numbers together. Are you ready?
1, 2, 3, shout it loud.
Kids shout.
4, 5, 6, join the crowd.
Kids shout.
7, 8, 9, we're almost there.
Kids shout.
10, fun. We made it everywhere. Numbers count, we've had some fun. Together we've explored as one. Adventure's over, now each year we'll meet again. Same place next year.
Big cheerful finish with xylophone trill and drum roll.
Numbers count, we've had some fun. Together we've explored as one. Adventure's over, now each year we'll meet again. Same place next year.
With teamwork and kindness, anything is possible.
We did it together. The gate's lighting up. I got S. It was glowing.
Amazing. 2 more to go. Here's T, near the snow.
The gate's lighting up. We did it. All letters found. Adventure awaits. Let's go. We want you to celebrate with us.
Really? Thank you, friends. With teamwork and kindness, anything is possible.
We did it together.
Bubbles shining in the night, snowflakes dancing in delight. Lights are twinkling oh so bright on this cozy Christmas night. Candy canes and joy so sweet, little hearts with love they beat. Stockings hung near the firelight, everything just feels so right. Jingle bells and children's dreams, laughter echoes in moonbeams. Magic fills the frosty air, Christmas cheer is everywhere.